All right, everybody, it's the Gbody update. This is my frame that I'm gonna end up kind of putting together. I'm gonna sandblast it, paint it, frame off restoration, true frame off restoration. My Gbody. I got a bunch of parts in here in the garage. Got the hooker heads. I think this is my it's my radiator. That's my carburetor right here. Oh, that's the old motor and transmission that came out of here. 383 stroker with a 200 R4 transmission. Some random box of goodies. Got a couple ARP bolts. Holly blue fuel pump. This is air cleaner, MSD distributor, more bolts, AFR. Those are another extra part of for my heads. Some wiring, pulleys. Let's see what this is. Yeah, go to another pulley. Let's see what else we got here. That's the MSD distributor. Close some of this stuff back up. It's another pulley. This is my transmission cooler, transmission cooler. This is a bracket that goes to my for my carburetor. Let's see, a couple more little miscellaneous pieces. We gotta go through here and really see what's all in here. Just a little sneak peek. What's in here? Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Air cleaner. I'm not sure what kind of see it through the thing. It says Chevrolet. Let's kind of keep that clean. Air cleaner, like I said. Take a look at this carb. It's a 750. Well, 750. No, it ain't nothing but a little razzle dazzle. Yeah. Yeah. It ain't nothing. Then over here I got more stuff for the Gbody. I think those heads, not heads, I'm talking about my headers. I think they are, you can see them right there, 1 3/4. Yep. You know, hooker heads. Check this out over here. I'll organize this stuff later. Got UMI, got shock tower brace. Got the body bushings, just a Summit set of body bushings. Front and back sway bar, and it's the front brace. We can open some stuff up here in a second.